Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zipporah, the Luxe Angel, and today I am back with another unboxing. Woo! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this unboxing. I have wanted this for a while, and I've gone back and forth wanting other things, but I've decided on this, and I'll go through all of that and tell you why. I gotta make this quick because I'm working with my phone light and my phone is dying. So here's the box. I got this little guy again. And this box is quite large. I normally unbox here, but it's like so large I had to do some different angles and stuff. So this is a true unboxing. We're doing this together. All right, so I did choose the option. I ordered this on the Louis Vuitton US website, and I chose the option to get a bag with it because I've never had a Louis Vuitton bag because everything I order, I do it online. I've not been like inside a Louis Vuitton store. I know. What? I know. I will make that happen, but I'm sorry. I'm just a homebody, whatever. So I wanted to get a bag, and they finally sent it because the last time I chose the get a bag option, they forgot to put it in there. But they did this time, so there's that. And then there's something else. Now I'm assuming they sent me a gift. I love it. I am assuming that this is one of their little magazines that they make. They don't put this in every single purchase. Excuse my nails. I know. There's gonna be an update on my nails. Excuse them. Please excuse them. But they don't put this in every purchase because I purchased a bag like 3 months ago and they didn't put that in there. So. And the first time I got one of these magazines, it came with my Alma BB, and they didn't have it in this envelope, so I'm actually glad they put this envelope in there too. So yes, this is another one of their magazines, number 14. I have number 12 already, and this is number 14. So I like these because they make great coffee table pieces and just talk about what Louis Vuitton's doing this year. They're always fun, but that is not why we're here. I'm not gonna go through all of this, the receipt and everything. You've seen it. Let's get to this baby. Forgive me, I'm filming at such a weird angle right now. Okay. So voila! Okay, so you know I had to get a picture for the blog, and you might notice that my ottoman has this fluffy little covering right now. I like to use that when I do my blog photos. Anyway, let's get into the unboxing. Oh, I'm at a weird angle, work with me. I'm trying to rush here because I'm a little bit on borrowed time right now. Okay, here we go. Mama's got a brand new bag. Let us pray that this is good. Okay. And this came rather quickly. I ordered it on the 2nd, and today is the 4th. And I used the eco shipping that's not rush shipping, and it still came this fast. All right. I feel her. Get the box out the way. All right, okay. So here we go. We're doing this together. Let us see. Oh my gosh. Dun, 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 dun. And yes, I got the LV Boulogne bag in the noir. Okay. Doing a little inspection. And I will get into the inspection of the bag later off camera because ain't nobody got time for that. All right, so this is the Boulogne bag in monogram and the noir leather. It does come in the natural cowhide vachetta leather that is pre-aged, but of course I went with the black because of my baby, the Alma BB in the World Tour edition. I realized I love the combination of monogram with black. And you can see it comes with these 2 chunky zippers on each side that say Louis Vuitton Paris. And I believe this bag is made in the USA, which I'm also excited about because Louis Vuitton has a legacy of being a travel company. I like to have pieces from every port that they make their bags in. And so this will be my first USA bag, and then all I will need to get is one from Spain. And so that'll be really, really cool. Oh, but here it is. As a matter of fact, let me do a quick comparison with my Alma. Yeah, it's slightly wider than my pretty much the same, but slightly wider. Let me do it right. Yeah, it comes with like one more LV. Alma has 3 LVs. This one has 4 across. So it's slightly wider, and that is why I got it. Because my Alma fits all my essentials plus a little more, but I want something a little bit bigger for days when I want to take like one diaper and a little bit of wipes. Okay, so it has a black, what is this? Is this a microfiber interior? We'll check. Oh, but it comes with this adjustable strap that I have wanted. And this strap, the reason this strap is ingenious is because it's the way it adjusts. Look how it adjusts. You just open up these buttons and then you like pull it like this, and it adjusts to 3 different lengths, and then you just can snap it in place. That's ingenious. I don't know why. This should be standard now on every bag from every bag maker. It also comes with a D-ring on there, so you can attach cute little bag charm or keys or whatnot. Oh, but you know, I got this bag because I realized after getting this bad boy, it has my Alma strap on it right now, that I prefer a shoulder bag. I love a shoulder bag. I also got this bag because it is in canvas, and I just realized I baby my leather bags, but my canvas I feel more carefree, and that's what I like. Here is the slip pocket in the back. You can't really see. Let me get my phone. Here we go. Boom. All right, so it does have a slip pocket in the back. It's quite wide. Okay, so not only does it come with this ingenious strap that adjusts to 3 lengths, it also comes with a chain. Oh my gosh. I have wanted this extra chain for several reasons, because it is cute bag charm, but also for this little baby. This comes with a Vachetta strap, but I was like, if I get this Boulogne bag that comes with this chain, if the Vachetta ever goes wrong, it has not gone wrong, it's aging beautifully, but if it ever goes wrong, I can just use this. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So I can use this for multiple bags, because this chain is not just decorative, it is functional. So you can use it as the shoulder strap for the Boulogne. So it's like you get 2 straps and a decorative chain on top of that. Oh, brother. But I do plan on wearing the chain as a decorative, as a decoration, because it's cute. Hello. Oh my gosh. Oh, I didn't snap these back into place yet. Let's do that. Where are we? How do we do this? Don't worry, I'm gonna figure this out. So, oh, another reason I wanted this bag is because it is gonna match my Louis Vuitton Sunbath Flat Mules. And also, Louis Vuitton does a number of shoes in the monogram and black combination. So there'll be many shoes that I can mix and match with this. Oh, but here she is, so flippin' cute. And I will be back to do what fits, what's in my bag, so you can get an idea of the capacity. I can't right now because my husband's going to boxing and I gotta go and take care of these kids, but okay. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, it says Louis Vuitton Paris. When it doesn't say made in, you know it's made in the USA. Oh my gosh, it is so flippin' cute. But again, this is the Boulogne, and it is product code M like Mary 45831 if you want to go check it out at the website or call, you know, whomever to help you get this bag. Like, too cute. But yes, I will be back to do future things with this. Another reason I got this bag is because I think it's actually going to give me a mini loop hobo moment. Okay, so when you saw the loop hobo walking down the runway, they were carrying it by the chain strap, and then had the other strap hanging down like this. And this doesn't really slouch, but it still has that dip. And I like the loop hobo. I love it. I love the reverse monogram. However, I am not a big bag person. I just don't like to carry a lot of stuff. So it's quite large for me, and it would go largely unused because I like to carry a little bit of stuff. This is the perfect size because it carries all the essentials plus a little bit more when I want to take an extra diaper and a little bit of wipes. And I will show you how that works out in the future and coming days. But for now, I just had to do this unboxing and let you see that the Boulogne bag does come with a gold strap. You can wear it just like this, but it also comes with this adjustable strap that I'm going to definitely use on my BB. And it's just beautiful and gorgeous. All right, guys, that's all for this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and share this video. Please subscribe if you like the content featured here. And until next time, have a gorgeous day. Bye.